Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2006 CL55 Coupe. It's an AMG model, 493 horsepower. Has the AMG Sport Package styling, different bumpers, front and rear, side skirt, different wheels, different brakes. Has AMG Sport seats. They are heated and cooled. The body's in excellent condition, virtually flawless. Beautiful original paint. There are no dings, no scratches. Here's a look at the awesome exhaust. It's an AMG exhaust. Has power open and closed trunk. Here's a look at the AMG brakes. Tires are brand new. Huge front calipers and rotors. Compressor means supercharged. This has keyless go. You just push the button, it locks. It'll also fold in the mirrors. And just grab the handle, it unlocks. Here's a look at the inside. There's the heated and cooled seat control. Both sides have 3-position memory. These are beautiful seats and very, very comfortable. And these are special to this car. Naturally, it has tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power moonroof. It's a 4-passenger, and it has rear headrests, power rear headrests, and power roller blind for the rear window. Really nice seats. Here we are on the inside. There's the mileage. Beautiful wood grain. To start it, you just put your foot on the brake and press the button as long as the key's on you. Starts right up. Automatic climate control. This has adjustable suspension. You can actually adjust it for firmness and height. Then you push this button. It's got 2 different, actually 3 total height settings. Even the instrument cluster is special. Back on the outside. Very nicely appointed, lots of leather. This has soft closed doors. Xenon headlights. Has parking sensors. The birdies don't like me being out here. It's tinted glass. Great car to drive. Handles great. Really comfortable. We're going to start up the engine for you in just a minute here. Okay, we have my assistant in the vehicle, and just to give you an idea what it sounds like. Has a great rumble to it. Well, thanks for your time. Hope to hear from you, and we'd love to tell you more about this beautiful AMG Mercedes.